Okay, now.
Okay, guys. I got everywhere. Today we're doing a thing called Sound Ground. Sound Ground is basically 2 bottles covered in mud and dirt. And the sides have less dirt, while the top has most. Now, I'm not going to reveal it to you guys yet, but before the video ends, I will. And then I'll end up destroying it, like I did with the last project.
True.
Hey. So, basically, Sound Ground is like a drum, but a lot quieter in the dirt. And for all you girly girls watching this, don't get afraid to get your nails dirty. It's what nature's for. If you're an omega like me or the middle child, you'll understand more about this. And basically, I like beating on things, breaking things, tearing down things, and everything. I like building sometimes. And I like digging, as you can tell over there. It's all over there. So yeah.
Our dogs are in it.
Yeah, I mainly dig that.
That's in the video.
Okay guys, before we have to go, I'm going to reveal it. Okay, so the 2 bottles are here in the dirt, ready to see. As you can tell, as I'm destroying it, let me move that.
The bottles are coming out. So make sure you can subscribe and leave a like. Subscribe to ChermaineKing.w. Bye.